I'm sure you've heard that every party has that one person who kills the vibe. But why call them a party pooper? Okay, so party pooper is someone who ruins the fun for everyone else. But where did this hilarious term come from? Well, it dates back to the early 20th century. The term pooper comes from the verb poop, meaning to tire or exhaust. So a party pooper is literally someone who tires out the party. Now imagine you're at a friend's birthday bash. Everyone's dancing and having a blast, but then Debbie Downer shows up and starts complaining about the noise. Yep, that's a classic party pooper move. So next time someone's killing the vibe, you know exactly what to call them. And remember, don't be a party pooper yourself. Keep the fun rolling. Have you fallen in love recently? Take a look at some expressions that we use when we are in love. Click the link on your screen to find out more. Until the next one, this is Know Your English saying goodbye and take care.